Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the returnable. Today you can see I don't have too much ingredients. Yes, I'm going to show you guys how to make cornstarch porridge. Yes, the cornstarch porridge is really good. If you have a newborn baby, you can still give it to the baby, helping the baby with the all the, just like to make it strong bones for the baby. And then it's good for people who have arthritis, um just like me. So if you're making it for your babies, don't use any milk except the baby formula. Okay guys, use the baby formula, and then you can do just the same way I'm going to show you how to make it. So you can see on that plate I have um nutmeg and some salt, and then this one is two type of cornstarch. I don't know if they have more than that, but that's only those two I usually find it. I always find. So that's the two one I always use. And then you can see I got my vanilla extra, and I got my star, I got my carnation milk. It's really a simple recipe and easy way to cook it, but you need to put your muscle, guys, to make the porridge really good. Okay, make sure you put your phone down when you're making that porridge, because that porridge need your attention. Okay guys, okay, you can see this one right there is 1 cup of cornstarch. This one right there is 2 cups of water. You put it in. Okay, now you get, I love to use wood spoon. You mix it up. Because make sure the water is cold. It's not hot, because if you put it when it's hot, it's going to be um it's going to make a lot of lump. So you need it cold. You can see. Okay, make sure you mix it well. Okay, okay, now I already put just like my just like some water in there, not too much water. I can say half of the cups. You put it on low. I already rinsed my star. You put it in there, and I already put just like the salt and the nutmeg. I already put in there. Okay guys, it's a simple porridge. That's where, I don't know if you see it, so let me bring the camera a little bit closer. You can see. Okay, now you can put it your fire all the way up. Okay, okay, that's why I told you, when you're doing a cornstarch porridge, you need your attention, so you have to keep mix it up all the time. You don't need to leave it on the stove and put it on low and go do your business. No, so you have to keep doing it until it's just like it's you stir it really good. Okay guys, yeah, and please guys, please do that for me. I like when you guys start watching my video. at the beginning to the end, and that's really helping me with my channel. If you guys want me to start posting video, because that's why YouTube asking right now for me, so I ask you, please helping me with my channel. And I have a surprise for you guys, so I will tell you guys next week. Okay, yeah, you keep mix it up, guys. Okay, mix it up. Okay, guys, you can see I'm going to show you something. Okay, you see, when you mix it up, you're going to find it to be like that. You see it? That's okay. Keep mix it up. That's why you're going to doing it. This, put the fire down and then mix it up really good. That's okay. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Just this. You see? Keep mix it up real good, guys. Don't be afraid. Okay. Turn off the fire now. And then mix it up. Okay. Now I'm going to open my carnation milk. Oh my goodness. Okay. You put a little bit. Sorry guys. That's my favorite. I remember my mom used to make that for us when we was in Haiti. And until she's still making it when I come here to United States. No. Now you can turn on the fire, put it on low. This thing. It's going to be ready. That thing don't take too long to get ready, guys. Remember, leave it on low, okay? Keep mix it up because it's supposed to be like a porridge, guys. Little by little, you put your carnation milk, or you put the baby formula. Okay? Because I want you guys to watch really carefully what I'm doing. Because that porridge take time, guys. It's really good. It's really delicious. But at the same time, you make one mistake, you have to start over. Yeah. One mistake, guys. You can see how good it is. Look good. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to add your sugar, I'm going to add my sugar, my vanilla extra, and something. Okay, guys, you can see the porridge. You can see how it look. Make sure you put the fire down, guys, please. Now I'm going to add some butter in. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add teaspoon of vanilla oil. I'm sorry, vanilla extra. And I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to add my sugar. I usually add less sugar than more. If my daughter want more sugar, I can add it more if she want to. And then you mix it up, guys. I'm going to see if I can show you guys how to make it on a slow cooker, but I never make it on a slow cooker, but I will try one day and I will show you guys. Yeah. Okay, time to taste. Mm. Mm. Leave it cook on low for about 25 minutes. Okay, guys? All right. So I will show you the result, okay? All right.